Before we dive in, remember, this video is educational only, not financial advice. Always chat to a registered advisor for your unique situation. Why do so many South Africans earn decent money yet feel broke by mid-month? It's not just poor spending, it's a system designed to trap you in debt. The moment you get paid, debit orders, loans, and accounts strip your income before you've even started. It's a cycle that repeats every month. It often begins small, just a clothing account, just a cell phone on credit, but those repayments grow. Add interest, fees, penalties, and soon you're borrowing just to survive. If you borrow 10,000 Rand at 22% interest, you're not paying back 10,000 Rand. You're paying back 15,000 Rand or more over time. That's money you could have saved or invested. Debt is emotional. We spend to escape stress, reward ourselves, or fit in. But that feel-good moment can lead to months of repayment. The first step is awareness. Track your spending. Know what you owe. Start saying no to things that cost your future. Now shift from debt habits to wealth habits. Use a budget that prioritizes needs and debt repayment. Build an emergency fund. Start saving. Even 200 Rand a month makes a difference. Learn to delay gratification. Debt doesn't define you, but staying stuck in it does. Shift your mindset. Choose freedom. Choose the path that builds your legacy, not your liabilities. Want help building your debt escape plan? Book your free coaching session below. Let's make your money work for you, not against you. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more financial education. Got a question? Drop it in the comments and check the link below for free guides and coaching.